everybody. So I'm here in the Papine Market. Did you know peach is grown in Jamaica? Peach. Yes, I found this bag of peach in Jamaica here. So if you know peach in Jamaica, look here. Put it in the comment section where you find it, alright? Alright. And shout out to all the vendors and the customers at the Papine Market. Papine in St. Andrew, Jamaica. Yes, we're Irish. Oh, so did you know peach is grown in Jamaica? Which part you say? Up St. Andrew Hills, Blue Mountain. This is the Papine Market. I found this peach. I did not know peach grown in Jamaica. Did you know? According to Dr. Ronaldo Sosa, in his book Amazing Power of Healing Plants, peaches contain an abundance of vitamins. They purify the blood and are useful for pulmonary weakness, stimulate the stomach and intestines, and act as a mild laxative. They can stimulate bile secretion and relieve liver ailments, eczema, and also diseases of the skin. The leaves and flowers of the peach tree can be used for medicinal purposes. Specifically, the flowers can be used to remove blemishes and freckles from the face. Peaches are known to grow in cooler climates, such as in North America. Hence, it is surprising to see it here in Jamaica. Tell us in the comment section if you've seen peaches here in Jamaica.